day one in Luang Prabang, and we are taking our first team to a pottery class. It's gonna be so much fun.
We're on our way to something that I've been wanting to do for such a long time. We're gonna do a pottery class with a family-owned farm, and we get to drive across the Mekong River, which I'm so
It's gonna be
excited
so much
about.
fun. We're gonna load the tuk-tuk on the ferry and cross.
Here we go. We get to choose what we get to make. Any of these here. I think I'm gonna try to make a bowl. I like this bowl though too. I want to try to make this. I'm gonna try to make this.
This is what I'm making.
Oh.
I am going to be making an ashtray today and a little Cuban cup.
Aww. Oh, so we're absolutely sending it back home to family.
For sure.
1000%. Mosquito spray applied.
Okay. Smiley again. So when this is the Tiam and you?
Felipe.
Okay?
Felipe.
Felipe.
Yes.
Felipe.
Felipe.
And Jade.
Jade.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. So before you start, I will show you the demonstration.
Okay.
Step by step how to do. And then we will help you to spin step by step. Do not make forward.
Okay. The middle.
So one hand for play. Push together. Bring the ball first. So you push the ball. There you go. Use your hand happy. So make it flat and even, but don't make it too thin. So two hands, you hold the stick like this, elbow touching your leg, and make sure that you not move. Then slowly draw first, how big and small you want. Slowly push down until stick hit the base.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Nice. Make it look easy.
This play you can rub together, extremely long. You add this play on the top here. So you make it round like one.
No, I'm scared as fuck, this is sad too. But this embrace feel natural. I wanna
String at the top, make it even.
even if it means I gotta face the music.
Out here. So you squeeze, put water inside of it. 2 fingers. So now you do 2 fingers stand like this. Okay, and hold up.
Okay.
You make it higher and make it thin first, and then the shape will get better.
Oh wow. Amazing.
If I don't see it, I would never believe it.
Right? I think let's play easier, right?
So I think bowl first.
Okay, bowl first. Okay.
He's a little cook person.
Yep. Or like ashtray or something. It's okay.
Ashtray?
Yeah.
You first.
So he will help you.
Okay.
Swahili. Okay.
But so he have problem with ear. This guy. So he cannot hear what you say, but he can act. Okay, you ready?
เขาจะพูดที่ดินตอนนี้ที่หนึ่งต่อกำคำน้ำมือเนี่ยก็เขาเต็งคำนอกจากนั้นเขาไปพูดแต่กับพูดก็จำคอยเขาก็มี
Okay, good.
เขาไปตัดแล้วก็
Butter a little bit.
No, no. Okay. So make it thin and make it even.
อันนี้จะฟัง
Now you cut make it thin.
กระเจ้าเช่นก็ออกคนเติมเลยน้ำมือเขาจะก้อนจะคำ
Now when you like this side, put down. Long way.
Yeah. เป็น
Get the top, squeeze
จัดจุงโม
You keep
โอเค
but not using
ผมเที่ยวครับ กำกังครับกำลงน้ำมือกันกันนี่ครับแก่สารติงวันนี้
Oh no, you need low.
พี่กันขัด
I have to make it wide.
So you need the shape like that or like
No, like that. Yeah, yeah.
So we need like quite straight.
yeah.
We do the shape.
Now
Can stick. Okay.
What an amazing time we've had. Look at this. I would have never thought we could actually make these things. Ashtray and my cafecito cup. So we're gonna be drinking some Cuban coffee somewhere along the way.
From Lao. Made in Lao.
Lao coffee. Our friend.
That was the best.
We had a lot of fun. Thank you.
More and more and more and more. Have you ever had jackfruit?
I'm gonna try it today.
I am also gonna. I've had it once in Jamaica. Don't know if I liked it. At the time, I'm recording you. You recording me? Okay, let's do this.
Alright, jackfruit.
Cheers. Oh my gosh, this is better than the one in Jamaica.
Wow.
We have in my country, Jamaica, but sour. Yeah.
sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah. I like it.
Tastes like cantaloupe almost. So weird.
I actually like it a lot.
Spring banana.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. And it's warm. A little bit. Okay. Fruitsy, fruitsy, fruitsy. Green banana. There we go.
First bite. Good, huh?
How was?
Good. I love the candy. It tastes like candy. Oh my god. If you put this in front of me, I would have swore it was sausage.
Right? This though, it's like, I feel like it tastes like cantaloupe, pineapple at some point, and banana. It's like, as you chew it, it starts releasing all these different flavors. It's so strange, it's amazing. The texture is...
And you're a texture person.
No, I love the
Yeah,
texture.
right? Like,
this texture is, it's tough, a little tougher.
everyone's gonna be like, what is she doing? Just a little sandwich, fruit sandwich.
I gotta find the perfect piece. Here we go.
So sweet though. I want to wait to post this video because it takes about 2 to 3 weeks in order to fire and be ready the pottery. But then after that, we're gonna surprise our family.
We're gonna ship them.
And we're gonna ship it to them. So happy half Christmas gift, guys, because it's expensive sometimes, but you're more than worth it.
Yeah, definitely. Somebody's gonna get it, and they're gonna have to send it to the other parent.
One person.
One person.
It's one person and one person only.
Because it's $100 to ship it out from Lao, because there is no kind of logistics from here. The only thing they have is DHL.
Only. There's no options. There's no anything. That means DHL can set their own prices.
Basically.
You know.
Guys, we've had so much fun.
This was the best time.
Our pieces came out amazing.
If you're in Lao, if you're in Luang Prabang specifically, take a tuk-tuk to the Lao Pottery House across the Mekong River. Getting here in itself is like such a beautiful experience.
You could only take a tuk-tuk.
Literally.
Because we tried to order a car.
Oh, we tried.
And the guy showed up. He says, you have to
can't
cross
do
the
this.
river. Oh, so we're like, hey, how are we supposed to get there? Luckily, there was a tuk-tuk right behind us, and he went to the tuk-tuk driver. He explained everything to him, and he ended up charging us to just go across on a ferry, wait for us, and take us back to our hotel.
It's actually so sweet because originally the cart ride was $170,000, and for the tuk-tuk it was round trip over the Mekong River, and it was $500,000.
Ferry included.
So like the original guy that was helping us, he helped us and negotiated. I don't know if he took a commission, but he should. In my opinion,
Yes.
he should, because like we didn't know at all, and we had an appointment for 2 o'clock. But anyway, guys, it's been amazing. We love you,
Thank
and
you
hope you
guys
enjoy the
so
video.
much. Till next time.
Bye.
Good collaboration.
Great collaboration.